Hello friends, welcome to index analysis and budget key highlights. This is Arun. I'm a SEBI registered research analyst. Investment in the securities markets are subject to market risk. Read all related documents carefully in the below links before acting on any recommendation. Kindly check our disclaimer and disclosure to know more. So to start with the budget, definitely it is like one of the worst with respect to the market expectations. Okay, to start with the foreign asset declaration window has been introduced. It's like a 6-month window, so one could pay again 30% tax to avoid penalty, and they have said like the compliances are going to be get easier. And this is the worst thing like which ensured market crashed, or like from day high Nifty cracked by more than 900 points, which is I believe like it happened 8 or 9 years before. Okay, so what happened? Futures and options, the security transaction tax has been hiked. The actual expectation market was either abolished or at least reduced, but instead the opposite happened. Now, what is the impact? So this is like a one sample one. With respect to futures, Nifty, earlier like we need to pay like 370 rupee as tax totally for one transaction. Right now it is 853, which means like it's like close to 14 to like 15 points of Nifty we are paying in tax alone. So this was absolutely like not liked by market, and from 25,400 levels again, that's like a weekly double top. From there Nifty fell to 24,500 and odd and bounced a bit. Okay, the positive things are like with respect to manufacturing, the funds are being raised, and the plan is to make India as a global pharma country, and 10,000 crore funds were allocated here, and to mine more of the rare earth materials, again lot of funds have been allocated. And with respect to students and colleges, to create content, like government has launched the Orange Economy or Content Creator Lab to help students create their own content. So that's pretty much, and there is no change in any of the income tax slabs. So that's again harsh expectation, but reality we got nothing. And already like with respect to last week, 4 lakh crore wealth was eroded. So like today I didn't add because those numbers would be very brutal. Portfolios are bleeding everywhere right now. Only the SIPs and mutual funds are like holding the markets. So at the current rate, don't know like how far even like those are going to support, until otherwise some key factor from the government which boost investor confidence and try to bring back the FIIs. Again, even like today, the metals were kind of laggards. Paytm alone last week the results were better, and Swiggy the loss has widened. ITC like profit is around 5k. Dixon profit is up by 48%, and rupee has already crossed 91.9. So budget is done. So we have RBI policy coming this week. The outcome is on 6th. Let's hope at least some relief is there for market on this particular day. So this is the expectancy with respect to RBI meeting. And with respect to results, we have Hero Motor Cup declaring results this week, followed by like Hyundai Motor, Bajaj Finance. Sun Pharma and Gale are reporting their result on Feb 5 to 7. Now we'll come to the key levels of index. And for that, you could join my Telegram channel, Harmonic Traders, to get free calls and educational stuff. And if in case you are interested to trade on intraday reversals, you could just go with our M method. This is the recent summary, and you could make use of this given link. Okay, so this is what happened. So Nifty again a weekly double top. Even Sensex the same story, weekly double top and crash. So Sensex and Nifty, like positional harmonic supports were kind of respected, but again until otherwise like a great macroeconomic factors are supporting, I don't feel like bulls are going to come back very strong. One kind of bitter news is Nifty made a lifetime high after like maybe like 400-500 days. But if you just look at the lifetime high, it was just 100 points from the previous lifetime high. The previous lifetime high was 26,277. Nifty rose just 100 points, and from there started to fall. So these are clear signs of bear. So it's not like the bulls were waiting for making a comeback. It's like bears wanted more fall, and that's kind of happening. So the worst case levels with respect to index in the coming days. So this is the Trump's tariff low. So again, this is the worst case numbers, because see, this is like a major swing low, and if in case this low was taken out, when I select this low, when 24,200 is taken out, then this is the next major swing low. And if harmonics is kind of projected or drawn, this could be the next monthly support. Even personally, I don't want these things to happen, but the charts are not that friendly. So if you're a long-term investor, stay cautious. Don't hesitate to book losses, small losses, even if in case it's investment. So once the bear market starts, then it's always kind of brutal. So let's hope some magic happens, and this particular zone is being respected, and Nifty goes up. Lot of resistance are waiting for Nifty, but before that, this zone, time being this particular zone, 24,300 to say like 24,582, this should be respected, and it should not be broken at least in this month. If in case it is taken out, then the bears could be like far more brutal. Okay, now with respect to Nifty, the numbers for tomorrow. So like today, if you just look from this particular low, 24,582, Nifty touched somewhere around 25,150, and from there it started to fall. So this is going to be a key resistance for tomorrow. Second resistance is at 25,349. First support is at today's low, obviously. So there should be at least 100 to 200 points bounce from here, because from the same point Nifty rose by like 600 points in intra today, like before the last hour sell-off started. So this number should be respected. Again, the STT thing is definitely not a very good thing. I mean, that could create a hell a lot of negative thing with respect to our market. Let's see, like any of the harmonics bulls saves the market, and this is the second support, 24,311. With respect to Sensex, today's low, that's a decent harmonic support, so 80,000. This is first support. Second support is at 79,441. Resistance are at the psychological number 81,816. followed by the weekly double top number 82708. Trade with small stop loss, don't average. Again, you would have seen like what happened in today's market. Option sellers kind of give a break because again VIX exploded today. Until otherwise the VIX starts to crash, just ensure you are going with some spreads or limited loss strategies. Intraday players, just ensure after the trades are taken, the SLs are placed because markets are brutal and this brutality could continue for a while. So to put in simple words, all the bull needs are like this particular zone should be respected, and we need like a solid close, solid weekly close above 25 436, the weekly high number. So only when we have like a weekly close above this number, we could assume the bears have lost their controls and we could expect the bulls to move up. If not, this zone, the major support zone, if this is taken out, then God only should save the Nifty. Okay friends, you take care, bye.